Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT in my everyday life as a professional banker. And being a banker, I have to write a lot of emails and we work on a lot of documents. All of our written communications are in English, and English is not my native language and help me get through the writing process. Previously, I was using the Grammarly and now I'm using the ChatGPT. Right now, I'm using the ChatGPT in my iPad Pro, but in Office, I use it on my laptop. So let's do this on the iPad Pro tell you to show you how I use it on my everyday life. Simply, if you click on this, on the left side, you have all the histories. Whatever you search, whatever you have made, you get all the history details on the left side. And in the right side, we have this interface where you can simply ask anything. To give you example, let's for example, if I have to find grammar mistakes in any word, any sentence, I write a sentence which have a grammar mistake. Say for example, we will be having is let's make have, that's a grammar mistake, having a meeting tomorrow. And then we put the sentence in the inverted comma in which we want to work. Let's enter this. The first thing you would notice, ChatGPT will give you the correct sentence first, and then will tell you what is the grammar mistake. And you can make all the other changings, like you can ask it to rewrite it, ask it to rewrite it professionally, and you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the sentence by changing the tone in professional, in casual, or anything. So this is the first use case which I do on everyday basis. And the second thing is, if you click on this plus, I have exhausted my free plus limits. We have the limited options on the free version to upload. In the plus, we have the three options basically. Number one is the to click the picture and upload it right on your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to describe the picture. Say for example, there is a table and there is a glass of water on the table. You can ask ChatGPT what is on the table, and it will tell you there is a glass on the table. That is the one example. You can ask for any specific detail. Second, there is second option there is in which you can simply choose a photo from your device. You click on that option, it gives you the option to select the picture and you can upload that picture on your ChatGPT. Then we have all the options. Say for example, in my use cases, I use the very lengthy agreements and ask ChatGPT for the specific details, like what is the pricing, when is the agreement going to expire, what are the things we should be careful about when it comes to damages. And you can search anything specific if you have a use case according to that. And there is the third option in which you can upload any document. Like if I'm working on a very big and very complex data, and I can simply upload that data to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to make some recommendations. And say for example, data is complex and it has the demographics. I can ask which age group is doing that type of transaction, and what are the most common cities where these type of transactions are being processed. So these are the details which you can start from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most sophisticated applications I have ever used in my life, but still it has some limitations and it does make mistakes sometimes. So, for example, I wrote blueberry in inverted commas and asked how many are in the word mentioned in the inverted commas. It picked the inverted comma word correctly, which is blueberry, and says and answered, the word blueberry contains one R when there is clearly two R's in the word blueberry. So that is the one example where we can see ChatGPT can also make mistakes. And then there is one more thing that we need to be aware of. We should be using the ChatGPT or to matter any other artificial intelligence tool more wisely and more responsibly, because ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence tool they consume a lot of power and they consume a lot of energy to generate these answers as compared to Google or Yahoo. They have a lot of these informations right on their cache. When you ask for this, they will just show you the information from there. So in this case, I asked who was the first American president. The answer is the George Washington, which you can easily search on the Google or Yahoo. So use the artificial intelligence tools wisely and responsibly. There is no need to ask these small questions. So that is my use. In a summary, I use the Chat GPT or Gemini sometimes for the things like writings. I use in writings like grammar correction, find the grammar errors, rephrase the words, and I use that a lot. Second, I sometimes I have to upload the documents which are too complex or too big, and I search the specific information through the help of ChatGPT. Then there is the third use case for myself, that is to upload the Excel files and ask for the dashboards or to find the specific data or specific analysis. These are the my use cases. Please do let me know in the comment section below how you use your ChatGPT or to matter any other artificial intelligence tool, and how are your experience so far. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.